Hi, my name's Peter. I've worked with electric classic cars for 4 years now. I've been with the company almost from the beginning. There was only one car built before I joined the team. It was myself and Richard at first. Well, I think personally people choose to do a classic car because they've got more character and personality, and as people know, people name their cars. They've got more soul and personality than a new modern car, so I think that's quite probably why people go for the classic car route for electric conversion. I mean, obviously they're quite valuable cars in the first place, but after the conversion cost, you do realise that the price being the conversion cost and the price of your vehicle initially, it's yet to be determined whether they're going to be long-term more value, I think, but it's the way forward, definitely, I think. We source our parts from various companies in the world. The majority come from America. There's various companies out there that break old Model S's or sideswipe accident vehicles, and the components are good, so we get them from specialist breakers in some respects. The conversion time of a car, it's mainly dependent on the fabrication of the adapter plates and the battery boxes and various other locating points for the motors. And now, if you take the likes of a Beetle, we've done many Beetles already, and also the bus behind, so we've actually got all the adapter plates and etc. already jigged up, so we can just go, right, well, we'll have a set for that or a set for this. But where it's a car we haven't actually done first, there will be more time involved with the fabrication of the adapter plates and the like.